morning. I have not had my coffee yet today. We're gonna do something different today. Happy Aloha Friday to you guys. As you can see, I just woke up. I am gonna help my sister today with her cargo trailer conversion build. We're gonna do some painting. Yes, there's gonna be food involved. Yes, there's gonna be fun involved, but first, coffee. Press this button down right here. Press them. Press them. Press them down. Atta girl. Where's Comet?
He wants some outside. You do it, Mama.
Trailer conversion peeps out there. This one's for you guys. All right, so we are at my sister's trailer and we're getting ready to start painting. We're gonna first prime the walls. It's very windy today, so I'm not sure how good the sound is gonna be from this video, if it's gonna be usable at all, but we're gonna make do with what we got. But first, we gotta eat. How long does it take to dry the primer?
An hour, it says.
Okay. I'm thinking once we finish and make it around,
Mm-hmm.
you know, it's time to start the front again.
Mm-hmm.
Or whatever. I have naughty in my teeth.
What am I doing with that? Forget. What am I doing with that? I think we kept this circle, but where is that? Dad's house, maybe. I'll put a picture there.
Yes. Now, I wonder if we have to do the top edge because...
Oh. Well, that metal, remember the metal goes to here anyway. So the metal goes to that black line, that pencil line. So when I put my trim back up, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
So we only have to go just to like an inch below that.
Okay.
My arthritis is acting up. Yeah, because I decided I want the bunk to be removable, so not connected to the wall by a whole bunch of screws or to the floor.
Yeah.
And then I can put a rug down. A big rug underneath all of it. It'll just be like a bench that clips to the wall though,
Yeah.
at like 4 points or whatever. And then I can pull it out if I just want to use this empty, like this, like whole stuff, you know?
Yeah.
Actually, like a trailer.
All right, so primer is done. We can move on to putting on the color.
Because I like all my stuff to be inside so that I can make coffee in the morning without putting on clothes.
That's why I like having my little counter inside and a single burner.
And that's all I'm gonna ever need is a single burner. I could be the first to try that Chinese diesel heater though.
Yeah.
Because I'm still seeing people do that and they like it. I just need a hole to exhaust it out the floor. It says,
Oh, right there.
oh yeah?
Shoot, yeah, I could. Because that'd be interesting to see how well it works. Oh, done, huh?
Let's zoom in and see.
Well, we got it. A very pale mint green on the walls. Now we gotta clear out and do the floor, I suppose, huh?
Yep.
All right.
I could do navy, I could do dark green, you could do pink, you could do yellow, red, anything goes with this color, actually, the more I look at it.
Mm-hmm. Gonna need some Tylenol tonight.
Yeah.
I marked there too, but that's where your cabinet's going.
You're the worst.
I'm just making marks so you know that that's where it goes.
Cover this up.
Okay, mark the wall over there. That's where your bed's going.
Bed.
Mark the wall over there. That's where your cabinet's going. Okay, so now we're just gonna clean up because we're all power done. We're full of paint. Someone's full of beer. And that's it.
All
so that's
We got it done. Thank you for helping me.
Yeah,
That made it go much faster.
All right, you guys. Thank you for watching today, and we'll see you guys again next week, Friday.
Bye.
Bye.